Hello, this is Arnold. Welcome to another season of Visual Analysis. In today's episode, we will explore Scher's criterion, a fundamental guideline in understanding binocular vision. Scher's criterion states that the fusional reserve should be at least twice the amount of the fusional demand. It can be expressed as R is greater than or equal to 2D, wherein R is our reserve and our D is our demand. So if you are to see this formula, we can say that in order for the patient to be comfortable sa prescription, the reserve should be at least twice the demand. Okay? So mas better if more than siya, but it is also acceptable if equal siya. Bali ang equal ang ang borderline, okay? Then we have the objective. The objective of the Scher's criterion is to be able to determine if the cause of ocular discomfort is due to the lateral imbalance or not. So unsa may pasabot aning lateral imbalance mo ni siyang horizontal phoreas, which are the exophoria, the esophoria. So it may be na sa iya ocular discomfort kay maka-experience ang ato patient og diplopia or headache. So, sa kining Scher's criterion is ato siya determine whether ang kanang ocular discomfort na ginabati sa ato patient is due to the lateral imbalance or not. And then this Scher's criterion is most effective for exophoria. So, if ever na kay patient na mga exophoric, imo nakitaan sa cover test, so it is ideal na mogamit ka og Scher's criterion because it is research nga most effective siya for exophoria. So, now we know nga ang formula sa Scher's criterion is R is greater than or equal to 2D. Okay? So, unsa man ni pagkuha ang ato R og ang ato D. So, ang ato reserve muna siya ang positive functional convergence of the opposite base wherein sa far kay muna siyang 9, 10, 11 sa kuha ni siya sa katong 21 steps. And then for the near is our 16A and 17A. The demand is the foria wherein sa far kay ang number 8 unya sa near is ang 13B. So as you can see here sa 21 steps form, ang ato demand here is ang kining number 8 and ang 13B, which are both the induced foria kay mo nang foria nato kitaon. And then ang ato kitaon karon is when unsaon na to pag-determine sa reserve based sa ato demand. So if the demand at far is exo, so exo siya, the reserve is number 9. So for example, na atay value nga rin na exo. So ang ato kitaon para mahimog reserve is ang number 9. Pero if ever ang number 9 nato is x, wala siya blurring. So ang imo kwaon kay ang number 10 break. And then for the demand, if kon siya, if SO siya at far, so let's use another color. So SO, so if SO na siya, ang imo ko na reserve is ang break sa number 11. Na siya ka simple. Nya, the same idea ra siya sa near. Because if ang ato demand at near is EXO, if EXO ni siya, ang ato kitaon nga ri para mahimog reserve is ang 16A. Anya, if X ang 16A nga ri, ang ato kitaon is ang 16B break. And then for our ISO at near, if ang demand nato sa near kay SO, if SO ni siya kini, ang ato kitaon is ang 17A. If X na siya, ang ato nakitaon is ang 17B break. If ever wala. Okay? Yan na siya murag ang idea. Balik kung unsa equivalent sa far, ang equivalent man sa number 9 nga ri kay ang 16A, unyang equivalent sa 11 kay ang 17A. Bali murag same ra gid sila idea. And then for our Scher's criterion is full ko na siya pwede na siya ma-fulfilled or not fulfilled. One man to makaingon na fulfilled siya or not fulfilled. Dito mo gawas ang katong formula nga R is greater than or equal to 2D. If ever this is true, if this becomes true, then that means it is fulfilled. If ever false siya, if false siya, then it becomes not fulfilled. So, unsa may pasabotan ng fulfilled? Fulfilled means lateral imbalance is not the cause of the ocular discomforts, meaning to say you don't need to prescribe any prism or mga managements na designed for the not fulfilled. Ang sa not fulfilled naman is lateral imbalance is the cause of the ocular discomforts. So if not fulfilled siya, dito na ka proceed sa next. So how is it managed if not fulfilled? So we have here first is to prescribe the prism to be incorporated in the lens Rx, alter the spherical value of the Rx if prism is not to be incorporated in the prescription, and then visual training or orthoptics. So ang kini sila, mo ni sila ang tulo na possible management na mahatag sa ato pasyente if ever not fulfilled siya sa Sherds criterion. So how do we prescribe PRISM? So we actually have three methods. We have the trial and error method, the formula from the Sherds criterion, and the inspection of the graph. But let's talk about first about the formula of the Sherds criterion, which is P is equal to 2D minus R over 3. Wherein ang ato P nga ri is ang prism, ang D is ang demand again, and then the R is the reserve. If ang mogawas nga rin na P is positive, then that means that the Sherds criterion is not fulfilled. Therefore, the cause of ocular discomfort is lateral imbalance. Meaning to say nga ri is ang demand kay mas dako. Ang twice na demand kay mas dako kaysa sa reserve. And then if P is negative, Sherds criterion is fulfilled, therefore the cause of ocular discomfort is not lateral imbalance. So bale ang kuan nga ri kay mm, okay, anhe, if ang ato P is negative, then it becomes fulfilled. And then if our P becomes the positive, then it is not fulfilled. So let's have an example na. So we have here an example. So what are the things that we should look for? So we should determine the demand, the reserve, and is the Sherds criterion for fulfilled? And if yes, no need to go further, and if no, proceed with the trial and error. So ang ato kitawon first is ang demand, no. So based ani na given unsay demand. So ang hatag ra nga ri kay ang sa for ni. So we can say na ang Fourier na number 8 nga rin mo ni ang ato demand. So 4XO is our demand. So nanatay demand. Next is what is the reserve. So since XO man siya, asa man tawag kita? Sa number 9. So ang ato 10 prism nga rin is our reserve. If nahimo na siya 4SO, so ang ato kita na ni dapat kay 11. Pero since XO man siya, narita sa number 9 magkita sa 10 prism, which became our reserve. Then we're done with the demand and the reserve. Next is Sherds criterion fulfilled? So okay. So mogamit ta atong sa R is greater than or equal to 2D. So ang ato R is 10, substitute lang. Yung ato demand is 4. So 10 is greater than or equal to 2 times 4. 10 is greater than 8. So since ni agree man siya aning greater than or equal to, meaning to say it is true. Truth siya, di ba? Kaya mas dako man ang 10 kaysa sa 8. So Sherds criterion is fulfilled. Therefore, the ocular discomfort of the patient is not lateral imbalance. Dili tungod sa lateral imbalance, nagka-ocular discomfort ang ato patient. And then you can further solve it by the formula. So ang kini siya o kini na mga solutions is required ni siya sa ato subject. Okay? So P is equals to 2D minus R over 3. So P is equals to 2 times 4, ngano 4 because that is our demand. and 10 because that is our reserve. So simply substitute lang tano. Yeah, P is equals to 8 minus 10 over 3. So our P becomes my negative 2 over 3, which is equal to negative 0.66 prism base in. Nganong base in man nga to gibutang are? Because our patient is exophoric. So unsa may management sa ato exo, di ba base in man gyud na. So mo nang ato gibutang are is base in. And then we also should look for the sign, symbol nga rin. So since our P is negative, since P comes out negative, Schur's criterion is fulfilled. Therefore, the ocular discomfort of the patient is not lateral imbalance. So bali, ang kining formula nato kay ni agree siya aning sa ato kanina nagisolve. So let's have another example. So mo ni siya. So, kuha na siya no? For near na siya. So, unsaon ra gud to ang for near? So, magkita ka sa kuan, ang first ni buhaton kay kitaon ang demand. So, 6S o ato demand gani since 13B is our induced for you at near. And then, since SO man siya, dili ka magtan-aw sa 16A. But, sa 17A instead. So, ang ato 17A na 10 prism mo na ang ato reserve. And then, firstly is ato gamiton ang katong Schur's criterion. So, R is greater than 2D. Greater than or equal to 2D. So, substitute lang ta. So, ang ato R kay 10. Ang ato demand is 6. So, 10 is greater than or equal to 12, which is false because mas dako ang ato 12. So, Schur's criterion is not fulfilled. Therefore, the ocular discomfort is lateral imbalance. So now na imo na determine nga not fulfilled siya unsa may ato buhaton, mo na to mogawas ang mga management, which is first is to prescribe the prism incorporated in the lens RX. So first is natay trial and error nga method. So, ang kining sa trial and error method, you just have to think of a prism base out value. Nganong base out value man? It is because ang ato 13B nga ri kay SO. Ang sa aming management sa to SO, that is base out. So, think of a prism base out value that will be deducted from the demand and will be added to the reserve until the least prism will be extracted to the incorporated in to be incorporated in the prescription. So nga magbutang ka anig D, unya ang saubos niya kay 6. Nganong 6 ang saubos because 6 aso siya. Nya sa R kay R 10, 10 because 10 ang ato reserve. So all you have to do is to create this. So pwede ka mag-una sa one base out that is based on your judgment na lang. But more on mas prefer na kuan siya kanang whole number first ka magsugod because this is the trial and error method, no? So, one base out, no? So, ang kining one base out, imo ni siya i-deduct sa kining demand. So, 6 minus 1 is 5. Yang ato R is ato na siya punan. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Then, you have to compare if ni kuha na siya ni kuha na siya ni agree na siya atong sa R is greater than or equal to 2D. So we can see na ni-agree na siya. 11 is greater than 10 man, di ba? But as you can see, dako ra kaayo siya og gap because one prism ang iya difference. So, to address this, we will go lower na base out ang ato i-deduct. So next is kining 0.5 base out. So 6 minus 0.5 is 5.5 times 2 is equals to 11. Yeah, so R is ang 10 plus 0.5 is 10.5. Does it agree aning sa R is greater than 2D? Dili, di ba? Kay mas nidako na noon ang ato 11. So 11 is greater than 10.5. So X na yung ato 5 base out. And then you will find the value until makakita ka og pinaka-close na murag mo accept siya, which is our zero point 0.7 base out here in this case. Because 6 minus zero point 0.7 is 5.3. 5.3 times 2 is 10.6. Yung ato R 10 plus zero point 0.7 is 10.7. And if you are to compare this, 10.7 is greater than 10.6, which makes the Shard's criterion correct na. So, this zero point 0.7 here, base out, will be incorporated to the prescription. Therefore, our Rx for the trial and error method is asa man gikan ng plus 1. Gikan ni siya sa ato number 7. So our prescription is plus 1 sphere combined with minus 50 sil time axis 90 combined with zero point 0.7 prism base out. Okay? Ayaw ni kalimta ang kining base out because mo na siya ang direction para sa ato prism. And then if ang ato first method is ang trial and error method, then we also have the by formula. Again, ang formula nato sa Shard's criterion is D. P is equals to 2D minus R over 3. So, unsa ang ato D nga ri? 6 aso, no? So, simply substitute lang. So, magawas ni siya 12 minus 10 over 3. Ang mahimo siya 2 over 3. Ang ato P value nga ri, kay mahimo siya og 0.66 prism base out. And since P comes out positive, Shard's criterion is not fulfilled. Therefore, the ocular discomfort of the patient is lateral imbalance. Bali, iya confirm no? So, bali, ang kining imo nakuha nga rin na P, this will be incorporated to the lens prescription. So, therefore, our prescription is plus 1 sphere minus 50 seal axis 90 combined with 0.66 prism base out. If you can observe, same ra siya na sa kuano sa trial and error na 0.7 dul-dul ra siya. So ang style ani kay mas maayo na mag-una ka sa formula para nakay idea kung unsay ipang butang nimo nga ri sa trial and error mo na siya ang life hack nimo para dili na ka madugay ba. Then, how to alter the spherical value? So, we have the formula of S is equals to P over A, wherein ang ato S is our spherical value alteration, our P is a prism prescription, and the A is our ACA ratio. Asa man tagikan aning sa prism, mo ni siya ang sa formula nato, which is the 0.66 base out. Okay? And then for the alteration of the spherical value, um, we actually have the rule, natin rules, no? So if plus siya, ang sa base out kay mag-increase ka, niya sa base in is mag-decrease. If minus power, sa base out kay mag-decrease ka, sa base in is mag-increase ka. So para mahinumduman din na ninyo, maghimo na lang mo og murag pina tic-tac-toe. So plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus. Okay? Yeah, base out, yeah, base in. Okay? On the spot na ako yung keyboard, sorry. Okay? So, if plus power siya, yeah, base out pa dyan siya, so you have to increase. Yeah, if plus siya, yeah, base in siya, so you have to decrease. Inana lang siya. Okay, so how do we solve for the alteration of the sphere? So, ato ni siya i-apply na formula na. So, ang ato prism nga ri is 0.66 base out. Nya, asa man nagikan ang 5 sa ato ACA ratio na 5 is to 1. So, nag-substitute lang tayo niya ato lang gi-solve. So, na ato spherical alteration nga ri kay 0.132. And then, since the power is plus and P is base out, this will be added to the power. Asa man nagikan na idea? Kadtong sa kanina. Kitawon daw? Okay. Since plus man siya, plus and it is base out, So ang imo kwaon kay ang kining increase, bali ang ato prescription kay ato increasean og kining S. So as you can see here, spherical alteration is equals to plus 1 as manigikan sa number 7. So number 7 plus S muna na ang imo spherical alteration. So bali imo ra gi-addan sa kining S. Nag-base ni siya sa rulhan, nakatong ni-add siya. Therefore, ang ato prescription becomes uh, plus 1.132 sphere combined with negative 0.50 sil axis 90. Wala na to ang prism because ang katong prism kay gi-convert na siya into sphere. Mo nang gitawag siya og spherical alteration. Mo ni siyang para sa mga patients na di ganahan o prism or dili sila makauyon. So we have here another example. You can pause the video so that maka-answer mo nga anha para maka-try sad mo. So you need to find for the at far and for near. Muna siyang for far and muna siyang for near. Okay, I will now go to the next slide. So i-compare sa inyo answers nga. So, ang ato 13B, muna siyang ato demand at near. Ang ato 16A, ang ato gamiton na reserve because exo siya. And then for our 4, ato demand is our number 8. Since exo man siya, ang ato kitaon is ang number 9 as our reserve. And then first is ato sa i-check ang ato far. So ato sa kitaon if ni-agree si aning R is greater than or equal to 2D. Since 11 is not greater than or equal to 20, so this becomes false, no? Kay mas dako man ang 20. So Schur's criterion is not fulfilled at far, therefore the ocular discomfort of the patient is lateral imbalance. So meaning to say, ang sa ibuhaton, mangita ka sa management. So first is our trial and error method. So muna siya ang procedure, no? Muna siya ang correct procedure. Kung makita na nimo na not fulfilled, mo diretso din ka sa trial and error. So simply substitute lang. So since nag-una man ta sa far, so kini ang imo i-substitute 10 and 11. Nya nag-una ko sa 1 base in, nganong base in man ang ako ibutang ngari. It is because exo siya. Unya unsay management sa to exo, that is our base in. So 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. 11 plus 1 is equals to 12. Mas dako na ba ang 12 kaysa sa D or equal na ba sila? Di ba dili? Mas dako gihapon ang D kaysa sa R. So, mangita ka hangtod mo equal na ang D ug R. Ang kini mag-equal ni sila. And then we've arrived to the 3 base in, wherein our twice the demand of 14 ug ang R na 14 becomes equal. Therefore, our prescription will be minus 2 sphere is combined with minus 1 seal axis 90 combined with 3 base in 3 prism base in ay gud kalimtang base in. So that is for our trial and error method. And then for our formula, so mogamit ra ka atong 2D minus R over 3. So simply substitute lang the values. So you will arrive with the answer of 3 prism base in, which is equivalent sa kining trial and error method nato na 3 prism base in. So you can say na ang imo nakuha sa trial and error is correct. Mo sa siyang pag-confirm. Then since P comes out positive, ang ato P nga kay positive man, Schur's criterion is not fulfilled. Therefore, the ocular discomfort of the patient is lateral imbalance. Mao na siyang reason nga nung ato ni pangbuhat ang kini mga formula, mga trial and error para makita nato ang possible management. May it be sa prism, may it be sa katong spherical alteration, or maybe visual training or orthoptics. And then, kabaw na ka sa 3 prism base in. So, therefore, imo ni siya incorporate na prism Ngari. So our prescription is minus 2 sphere combined with minus 1 seal axis 90 combined with 3 basin, which is equal to this trial and error method. Wala rin na change. So nanatay trial and error method and by formula. Next is our spherical alteration in case na ang ato patient dili siya makauyon sa katong prism or wala siya budget para sa prism. Depende na sa clinician and sa patient. Okay. And then for our spherical alteration, we will use the formula of S is equals to P over A. So our prism here is 3 prism base in. Kanina, mo na siyang gikuha na to sa katong formula. And then our ACE ratio is 5 is to 1. So our S is zero point 0.6. And since the power is minus, asa man ni makita ng power is minus, kinino, minus man siya. And P is base in. This will be added to the power. Anong added man siya? Again, kitaas siya nga rin. So, base in siya nga rin, niya minus. So, we can say nga, i-increase siya dapat. So, how do we add this? So, di ba, ang ato number 7 is minus 2. Niya, ang ato S is 0.6. So, ang pag-add ni mo ana is regardless na siya sa sign. So, minus 2 sphere plus minus 0.6 is negative 2.60 sphere combined with the minus 1 seal axis 90. Therefore, our spherical alteration, no? Okay, negative 2.60 sphere combined with minus 1 seal axis 90. So, muna siya ang equivalent aning sa kining sa formula na prescription. So muna, no need na siya magbutang og prism because this is already converted na. Okay. And we're not done because naapatay near. Ang kinesiya na prescription is for our far. Okay? Ang katong tulo ka buok. So, we will proceed with the near. So, unsa naman nato kita unsa near? Ang kining 13B, 16A. Okay? So, muna na yung ato bagong i-substitute. So, ang ato R nga ri kay 15. Ang ato demand is 8. So, since 15 is not greater than 16, so this becomes false. So, if false siya, not fulfilled sad siya. Therefore, the ocular discomfort of the patient is lateral imbalance, meaning to say, mag-management ka. So, first again is the trial and error method. So, mag-una ka sa trial and error method. So, simply substitute the D, which is the 8, and our reserve ng kining 16A na to. So, 15. So, mangita ka og value hangtod na mo agree siya atong sa R is greater than or equal to 2D. And since we've nag-trial tangari, sa 0.4 base in, kay ang ato reserve is greater than the twice the demand. So, ni-agree na siya ani, ni-agree na siya. Ni lower pa to og 0.3, but this makes it na ang demand kay mas dako na noon siya sa reserve. Meaning to say, mo stop rata aning sa 0.4 base in. Therefore, our prescription for the trial and error method is negative 2 sphere combined with negative 1 seal axis 90 combined with 0.4 base in. Ganong base in? Because ang ato kuan nga ri for is exo. So management niya is base in. And then we also have the formula. So substitute lang taan no. So same ra siya sa katong for kanina since positive man siya, Scher's criterion is not fulfilled. Yeah, instead of 0.4, mas exact siya na 0.33 prism base in. So instead of 0.4 base in siya nga ri, ang sa formula nga ri na method is 0.33 ang gigamit. Then we can proceed with the spherical alteration. So our P is 0.33, ang sa formula yung magamito na prism, nya ato ACE ratio is 5. Yeah, 0.33 over 5 is 0.066. And since the power is minus and P is BI, this will be added to the power. Determine na to because nigamit ta atong sa katong rule. So, sa tong tic-tac-toe agad. So, ingani ni siya. Yeah, plus, plus, minus, 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 plus. Then, base out booby. Booby. Basta booby na. Yeah, since our power is negative minus, yeah. So, nga rita magtanaw. Wait, ako lang i-change yung color, ha? So, kini. And the P is base in. Base in siya. Kini. So, unsa may yung buhaton? So, nga rita. So, it will be added. So, how do we add it? So, you will just have to add it algebraically. So, minus 2 sphere plus minus 0.66, 0.066 is negative 2.066 sphere combined with minus 1 seal axis 90. Therefore, our spherical alteration becomes the negative 2.066 sphere axis combined with minus 1 seal axis 90. So, mo ni siya ang converted na. Wala na siya prism. Then let's proceed with the example 4. You can pause the video if you want to answer yourself and then we can check. Mag-una ta sa far, anya next is near. Okay, I will proceed na sa slide. So dapat mo niya siya ang mga demand and reserve na imo nakuha. Since SO man siya, so ang imo na gigamit nga rin na reserve is ang number 11. Anya sa 13 sa for near nato na demand is kining 13B which is 9 exo since exo man siya ato kitawon is 16A but since 16A is X so ang ato gigamit is 16B which is 17 over 10 ang kining 17 lang ato kitaon as reserve. So this is for far. Ang sa far nato is actually fulfilled ra siya sa far. Okay? Nya kay confirm siya sa formula. As for our near, kay kuan siya, dili siya fulfilled at far because ang twice na demand is greater than the reserve. So if not fulfilled siya, mo proceed na ka atong sa management starting with the trial and error method. So nangita ta og value na makapa-true atong sa R is greater than or equal to 2D. And since sa 0.4 base in nato, kay nakita nato na ang R is greater than the 2D na siya. So meaning to say, ang ato ay accept kay ang 0.4 base in. Nganong base in siya? It is because ang ato far nga ri, far? No, this is near. So near siya, since exo man siya, ang management sa exo is base in. Therefore, it will be incorporated. So, negative 4.50 sphere combined with negative 0.75 seal axis 135 combined by the 0.4 prism base in. And then, if you're done with the trial and error, you will go with the formula. So, you should have the positive value na P because if ma-negative ni siya, that means na ang Sherrd's criterion na to is fulfilled. But since positive ni siya, so our Sherrd's criterion is not fulfilled. Therefore, mo nang ato gibuhat ang mga trial and error, formula, and sa spherical alteration. This because it is not fulfilled. Therefore, mo ni siya ang ato final Rx by formula na nag-incorporate og prism. And if ever dili siya mo kuan mag-prism, we have this spherical alteration wherein ato P is equals to 0.33. Ang 0.33 kay gikan ni siya sa katong formula nato. Yeah, don't forget the base, no? Because that will be used for the rules, no? Then so we have the S is equals to 0.083 since the power is negative minus siya. So, and P is base in. So, magamit na sa atong kini. So, plus, plus, negative, 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 plus, nya, booby. So, since ang ato power, ko na sa di change. So, sa ato power kay negative, anya ato P is base in. So, you will have to add. Mag-add ka. And then how will you add it? So, imo ra siya gi-add 4.50 plus 0.083. So, mo na siyang nakuha nimo na spherical alteration. Therefore, mo ni siya ang ato spherical alteration na prescription. I guess that ends for my discussion about the Scherz criterion. I hope that you have learned anything from this discussion. This is very a simple nga topic, but I just went detailed so that you can have many examples to practice on. And if you have any questions, you can approach me freely. That's it. Bye bye.